Tale, fammi una presentazione.
C'è una cosa molto bella. So
Sì.
now we are about to see the Duomo of Cefalù.
Apparently it's a UNESCO heritage site.
UNESCO, yeah.
Thing. Let me have a look.
Have a look in 3, 2, 1.
Ooh. With Calogero here,
Hi.
Chef
Hi.
Calogero. We are
Hi,
just
how you doing?
we are about to try arancino. It's
Sfrigola.
it's frigola. I don't know what it is, but apparently it's very famous for arancino, which actually means small orange. And what is it? It's like a rice bowl stuffed
It's a
with
rice bowl cooked in the same way of risotto, and it's flavored by saffron, which is
Saffron?
called here zafferano.
saffron. Yeah.
And the original one is made with ragù. Ragù, it's
Just like bolognese sauce, let's say.
exactly
sort of.
kind of made with meat, peas.
This could be my first time trying a real Sicilian arancino. Perfect.
Arancina.
Arancino. Oh,
Arancina,
would you like
because
to
we're here in Palermo Shire, which is called Arancina. In Catania, Arancino. So it's been like a conflict in the past 10 years about Arancino.
You see?
So we call it here Arancina.
So basically changing a letter in the
It
word
is, it
of a
is.
recipe could lead to war. Sicilian little thing.
Catania Arancino.
There you go.
Punta.
There you go.
Palermo Arancina.
Okay, I think we found the place. There's people queuing outside. Okay, I've been invited to go in. Sorry. Scusate. Okay. Oh
Oh
wow.
my god. That's incredible.
Okay, these are the rice bowls I was telling you about. They're deep fried, coated actually in breadcrumbs, and then deep fried, and it looks absolutely amazing. I'm not sure what the stuffing is. There's one with mushrooms actually. It's basically a bowl of risotto, leftover risotto really, that you coat in breadcrumbs and then deep fry. Okay, we just got our arancina. Should be about 5 minutes to wait, hopefully.
Stiamo girando un vlog. Ti va di prendere parte?
L'abbiamo colta mentre mangi l'arancina.
We're just waiting for our arancini.
Yeah,
How was it?
It's amazing.
What about sfrigola? Do you like it? It's the first time you eating sfrigola?
Actually, I didn't get it here.
You didn't get to sfrigola?
No.
Sorry.
Guys, finally, we managed to get hold of our arancino, and that's what it looks like when it's cooked. I want to try it. Where's the chef here? He's taking photos of his own arancino. I don't blame him. They look very pretty, but look at them. His actually looks even better than mine, to be
Oh
fair.
my
It's
god!
stuffed with
That's
what is
a
it?
caprese. So it's mozzarella, basil, and tomato.
It looks absolutely
Let's try
lovely.
it.
Mine is much simpler. It's basically stuffed with it's norma, which is basically aubergines, mozzarella cheese, basil,
No,
and tomato.
Sorry,
Rewind.
it's aubergine, ricotta salata, and tomato and basil.
Fair point, actually. It's not mozzarella. There you go. I'm not an expert.
Actually, it's mistakable.
Eventually, good thing I got him on board
But
for
now,
this food
Stefano,
tour.
please, just let's eat it.
Exactly. Let's dive in. Let's
We're
dive in.
starving.
Okay. Do you want to bite in? That's what it looks like inside.
So good.
It was absolutely worth the wait. It's really, you know, the thing is that you'd expect it to be quite heavy because it's deep fried.
Oh my god.
But it's not heavy at all.
So good.
And I love the fact that it's just a snack. It's not like a meal, you know? Grande.
Poi questo video lo pubblichi, eh?
Assolutamente.
Guarda che faccia, ok, ciao.
Ciao, buona giornata.
Ciao, ciao
a tutti.
YouTube.